if there is a museum of laundry technology, perhaps it's not as mundane as one might expect. From tossers and mangles to washboards and soap graters, there are as many fascinating old appliances as there are modern methods to clean your dirty duds. One future highlight of such a museum could very well be the Samsung ActivWash, whose built-in basin is as novel as it is distinctive. The model possesses some unique utility, but it compromises a few conveniences as a result. Still, with a price of $199 and on sale for as low as $749, you may find that this top loader is the right one for you. At first glance, the ActivWash doesn't offer too many surprises. It comes in two fairly typical shades, classic white and a dark gray color that will cost on average about $50 extra. The cabinet construction is steel, with the control panel situated on top at the back. What sets this model apart can actually be found right on top. Depressing a distinctive latch at the corner of the lid reveals the main feature of Samsung's patented ActivWash system, a corrugated basin designed to facilitate pre-treatment of your laundry load. Coupled with an ancillary jet, you should be well equipped to meet your laundry's most particular needs, all without having to run back to a sink. The lid design is peculiarly layered to accommodate the ActivWash system, but that construction is also somewhat obstructive. There is a channel cut from the back of the basin to permit access to the sliding detergent tray, but the bezel and hinge for the lid overhang enough to deny access to the tray. Awkwardly, when the basin is in the up position, its convex shape makes pouring detergent cumbersome. 2. Some users may note that if you